Open split floor plan West high volume ceilings, 4 full bedrooms plus den, 3.5 baths located on the Lake West private views with no neighbors behind for total privacy. Nice covered front porch paved area to access double doors to foyer to exciting social area filled with natural light. High impact double doors that leads to large covered patio that is perfect venue to entertain friends and family. Completely fenced, spacious grounds, lush and tropical landscaping west outdoor shower. Tile flooring throughout and laminated wood floors in bedrooms. Kitchen made for gourmet cooking lush granite, wood, stainless steel appliances and pullouts are just some of the features to tell your buyers about. Huge master bedroom suite west sitting area and access to pool and patio, fully renovated master bath as well as the other baths.